From glacier-scoured peaks to the ripple of the Earth's crust, to the trees that scrape the sky, millions of years have shaped these lands. Here, ocean, mountain, and moisture have come together in a spectacle of evolution. The coastal temperate rainforest of British Columbia, Canada. In such a unique and complex ecosystem, how do humans fit in? They say we're a product of our environment, and if our native habitat is British Columbia, then perhaps we're driven to act out the profound drama of the land in our own character, robust, vibrant, wild. To be born of this land means taking on its evolutionary message of working harder, of going bigger, of always seeking the next level. There are few places in the world that demand such tenacity, creativity, and strength. For those born here, aiming higher is in our nature. It's home.
Langley, BC.
North Van, BC.
North Delta, BC.
North Vancouver, BC.